Till a few years back, it would have been impossible to think of a smartphone that was engineered almost completely, keeping a professional videographer, photographer, or gamer in mind. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max is exactly that, and a testament of how user workflows have changed over the years because of the power, a smartphone can now pack inside its small chassis. The iPhone 15 Pro Max takes its Pro tag seriously and steps up on the processing to enable these workflows which a lot of power users even will have known me for. This also means that across the world, professionals are now opening up the possibility of using a smartphone as the primary driver for their work, incorporating all aspects of their creative process in the same device. This does not mean you can't buy this flagship if you are not a professional. That is an intended side effect of the way this product is designed. I have used the iPhone 15 Pro Max for a week now, and here is what I thought of the Apple flagship by answering the top questions I encountered about the phone. Now, the first question, you must be thinking that how good is the titanium body? To me, titanium body looks pretty solid. But the fact is, there is still some glass at the back. Apple could have looked at a full metal body too, though I know that could come in the way of heat dissipation or even wireless charging. But compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, this one does feel much lighter. Apple also shaved a little off the sides, both with its rounded edges and bezels. For those that go caseless, those cut-down edges may be the greatest boom as I've found it. Device feel better to grip. Personally, I thought the iPhone 14's bezels were already thin enough, and anything slimmer will likely require more work to avoid accidental actuation. For years, I had hoped Apple would open up the control center, the iPhone menu opened by swiping down from the top right corner so that third-party applications could have their own buttons. Apple's apps are good, but what if you want instant access to something else? Enter the Action button. The Action button is a good addition, as it makes this slot much more functional than before. Earlier, you could just about silence the ringer. Now you can do at least 9